I know what I said, and I was wrong. Hello everyone, this is Zafra, or you can call me Raza, and I am going to talk about ChatGPT. I know I talked about it before, but this time it's a bit different because I know I messed up. ChatGPT is not going to replace programmers because I tested ChatGPT a bit more since last time, and it seems to really nail the questions that we already know the answers to. So, for example, if there is a developer out there that writes some piece of code and he published it on the Stack Overflow or somewhere else on the internet in 2021 or before 2021, then ChatGPT knows the answer. But if no one knows the answers to it, if the question is changed and it doesn't exist in the knowledge of the ChatGPT, then ChatGPT has a higher probability of not knowing the answer. And you might say that what makes me go to this conclusion that ChatGPT will not take our jobs, because even though it might know a lot of the information that we know, the humans know, the professionals know, then we actually mess up a lot, and that will actually cause ChatGPT to learn wrong answers to things. And that's why the professional environments, the offices, the software companies, the accounting companies, the lawyer agencies will never replace these knowledge worker professionals with ChatGPT, and I don't think they will replace them with ChatGPT for like 4 years, 5 years. It won't happen. The reality is that this ChatGPT is kind of a warning bell for all of us that this is not the end of AI. There might still come an AI that is actually designed to replace a professional field. It could be that it is more targeted towards replacing the field of a teacher, for example, from 1 to 5th grade. That kind of a range is too small and it's actually possible to replace. Similar thing could happen to like a UI UX field. AI could come up that would just need you to provide it a sketch of what you want, and it would just give the UI and UX based on that sketch. Or you could actually go on and tell it that, hey, I want this kind of user experience in it. I want a pop-up to show up, it look like that, there should be a login page that looks like that, and it would just take that sketch that you gave it, the colors, and it can generate multiple different versions based on those designs. There could be more APIs for API development, backend development, backend coding, where you just tell it what you want and it will just give you what you want, what you told it to give you. And the thing is that ChatGPT is not going to take away your job. I don't think it will do that anytime soon. But who knows, Google might be developing software under their sheet about an AI that could actually just replace all the developers' need that they are facing. They could be actually working on that. We would never know. Maybe some other companies working on that. We will never know until that program, that software actually comes out and is made known to the public. A lot of proprietary softwares are kept under the sheets until they are being developed completely and then they're revealed, similar to ChatGPT actually. And it could happen in the near future, it could happen in 5 years, 6 years, but ChatGPT is not the one that's going to take away your job. ChatGPT is just a very generalized chatbot that takes information from the internet and just put a human touch to it. So don't be worried about that. And if you are worried that sometime in the future you might lose your job to some similar software product from some Fortune 500 company, then let me know in the comments below what kind of steps you guys are taking to foolproof yourself against an AI future where they could just take away your jobs. And I'll go through those next times. I have some of my own ways that I'll share with you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. I'll see you guys later and take care of yourself. Goodbye, bye bye, see ya.